I can see when it's staying out there. I can see that far with it.
I was gonna do it, but his camera was on.
Two body, one head.
With my pistol too, with the almost, the double tap type thing.
So your first 2 shots are rapid, bam, bam, and then you try to aim for the last one.
Nice.
But there you go. Same thing as that. The AR is the same platform as that right there.
Yep.
That's where they get it from. So basically, right now with the bolt, this shoots from the bolt forward. That's how this shoots.
Oh, all right.
All right. Like automatic machine guns, this shoots from the bolt in the rear. But this shoots like this. So there's 2 ways of loading it. You can load it with the bolt forward and rack it, or when you're out, you can load it by just putting a magazine and then hitting the bolt release right there.
Yeah.
All right. Now, right now I got the O2 sight. See, this is called O2 sight, which is when you're shooting closer up. If you were shooting further away, you'd put this sight down. That's the peep sight.
Yeah.
But that's the O2 sight.
Nice. Yeah, I like that.
Magazine release is right where your finger is.
Yep, right there.
Oh, perfect. Oh, that's nice. Can't go wrong.
Oh yeah, yep. You want to hit that on the side.
Oh.
Right. You don't have one racked.
Yeah, so what happens is right now,
Yep.
so this is called the forward assist right here too.
Oh,
but
okay.
basically, let me see what's going on right here.
Yep. Oh, so it did load it. Oh.
So whenever you use an AR,
Yep.
you want to fucking manhandle it. You got to make sure that magazine's seated. So
Bam, pound it
give
in
it a smack.
Yep.
And then when you rack it, fucking rail it.
Give it a
and
smack.
then this is called the forward assist right here. So you can give that a smack and it helps the bolt go forward.
Oh, okay.
Hit that right there.
Yeah, they.
That's right. Forgot about that. And clear. Thank you. Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright.
Really?
I can see when it's staying out there. I can see that far
I
with
was
it.
gonna do it, but